Welcome everyone to my first video of the T480 to T25 morning journey. So today I have acquired the ThinkPad T470 hinges. This is the left hinge, which is required, and it will have to be cut off like this. The T480 hinges will not be compatible with the T25 palmrest, I suppose. So you will need a pair of you will need the left hinges. I got this pair as a pair for like $10. I got both of these for $20. Initially I just wanted to get the left hinge, but the seller said that he only sell by pairs, so yeah, I accepted it because, well, after all, the right hinge can also be used by the T480, so it will be a nice spare. And here is a Exxon Carbon 6th Gen trackpad. If you take a look at the part number, then yes, it will show up on Google. It will show some eBay listing as the 6th Gen Exxon Carbon trackpad, which is compatible. As you can see here, it is one of my 3 T480s. Yeah, it is significantly smaller than the T480 trackpad itself. And also I have ordered some more parts. For example, I have ordered a T25 keyboard. So yeah, T25 keyboard for 245 Chinese yuan, which, well, after shipping and stuff, like the initial price that my proxy buyer tell me is going to be 1,068,000 Vietnam dong, so for around $40 US. It's Google's currency exchange, so it might not be correct, so please check with your bank. And yeah, these two parts I purchased for 550,000 dong, so yeah, $20. Yeah, 21, but yeah, I would just call it 20 because Google's currency rates aren't always the most accurate out there, so I'm going to say it's $20 for these two parts. The keyboard has been ordered for $40, but the seller said that it doesn't have they circle the part that is the media buttons and the power button. I don't know if that they don't have the media buttons. There's the volume control and the mute button all together, like one of those images on the TP art website who made the X210 AI, like the X210 mod with the a custom made 11th gen Intel motherboard. I don't know. So, and yes, I also have my I also have the power button assembly, and yeah, like the power button assembly, and yeah, and the palm rest. Yes, it's the C side of the ThinkPad T25. So yes, it's palm rest, and yes, the power button assembly is, and both the cable too is 55 Chinese yuan, and the palm rate is 200 Chinese yuan plus 10 yuan shipping within China. So they will ship to my proxy buyers storage warehouse in China. Then my proxy buyer will ship it into Vietnam. Yes, the proxy buyer pricing haven't included the waiting from the China to Vietnam shipping prices, but I don't think they're going to be that expensive either. So so those two parts cost, so they quoted me let me tell you apart. So yeah, 1.1 million Vietnam dong. So yeah, also roughly the same, yeah, $42. So I have spent in total roughly around $100, and the parts missing are, well, at least the media cover keys, which, well, at least someone on Reddit very kindly provided me a 3D print file, and the bracket, and the 3D printed bracket for one of the motherboard screws, which is listed on the if I remember, it's the XY Tech website tutorial. Yeah, they listed it there. And yeah, and the T470, and the T470 fingerprint assembly, because the T480's assembly is way smaller. The T25 uses the T470, which is way bigger and way more responsive than the T480. My friend has a T470, so I know that very clearly. And a Dremel. You would need a Dremel to actually drill that. My family doesn't have one, so I will have to buy another one. So I think it will run me like another $30 to $50 more. So yeah, so the total cost of this project, not include labor, I will do it myself. But yeah, if you do not to include labor, so probably around $150 US. So yes, it's the first part of my money journey. I hope that if anybody finds the video interesting, then yeah, you can probably stick around for more future updates, because I have already transferred my proxy buyers money. So yeah, because I have already spent a lot of money, so let's just stick to the plan. Alright, thanks for watching.